Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob to set up a C63 AMG. You do not need any tools, but you are going to need one of the 2025 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. First thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key. Do that by sliding this latch over, and that'll pop the mechanical key out just a bit. Go ahead and pull that out. Now take your mechanical key and slide it in this notch right here, and just give it a good push. That'll pop that back piece off. You can see kind of where I've pushed it in there. Now you can take your key and push right here, and that'll loosen up the battery a little bit. You can use a screwdriver if you can't get it out, but as you can see, a key can get it done. Go ahead and put your new battery in, positive side facing up. Clip this in here, give it a good squeeze. Put your mechanical key back in, and you can test it right here. Make sure you got your red light and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.